Okay guys, here it is, our video. It's relatively short, but I wanted to share with you the Corvette parade at Corvettes Carlisle 2022. Steve was doing some filming there while I was out talking to people, and I just did some commentary over the video about some of the cars that we saw. Just to give you an idea, there were over 5,000 people gathered in small downtown Carlisle for this parade, with over 500 Corvettes, which is only a tiny portion of the number that were at the show. It still took them almost 3.5 hours to get through town. So this is a bit of a montage of some of the cool cars we saw. I hope you really enjoy it. Just don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell before you watch the video. Thank you so much. Here we are, guys, in downtown Carlisle for the Corvette at Carlisle parade. Now, there were about 5,000 people lining the streets of downtown Carlisle to watch over 500 Corvettes go by before they parked up all of downtown and spent time with the people there to watch, which was awesome. There were a bunch of cool C8s. There's one of the C8R commemorative editions right there. Nice red Z06 C7, gorgeous blue C8, all kinds of just cool cars. A lot of guys with the Lambo doors open and their convertible tops halfway open to show off the mechanicals on the car. Virtually every generation of Corvette was pretty well represented in the parade. I think there were fewer C4s than just about any other car, but we did see quite a few. Don't know if I'll see any in the clips that we actually got footage of. There's a beautiful old 64. Another red C8 with a Mickey Mouse hand. Gotta love that. A lot of these people driving the cars by had handfuls of candy that they were throwing to the kids, which is always fun to see. That is a beautiful 69 convertible there. They're filming us while we're filming them. That's aggressive. Look at that. It's hard to tell what's a ZR1 and what's not anymore because everybody's adding on the front bumpers, the hoods, and the spoilers. Don't know if I'm a fan of the yellow with the red wheels on that C8, but okay. I'm happy for you. Weather was actually beautiful this day. It was about 89 degrees. Ooh, there we go. Grand Sport 96 right there behind that C7. One of my favorite C4s ever. They had about 40 of them at the fairgrounds, and they're just, I mean, they're a classic. They're always going to be one of the most beautiful cars GM ever built, in my opinion. More C8 convertible. Look at that. Oh, if only I was a foot shorter. Canadians, well represented at Corvettes of Carlisle. It's a fairly short drive for them to come to it. I had several Corvette clubs from Canada that I saw represented on the fairgrounds. Their cars are nice. Let's see what else we got coming here. There you go, Canadian C4 with the custom turbo hood. Kind of dig that at C5 with the kind of motorsport theme that was popular in the 90s. And I mean, this is an event, guys. It's not just the people from the show that come out to this. All the locals from Carlisle, this is their big parade, and they all come out with their chairs. We were there 2 hours ahead of time, and there were people there before us. I'll see the kids picking up the candy. Nice Grand Sport. That's going to be a memory for that young man going on this parade. There's another 96 collector. Oh, already gone. That looks like a Carlisle Blue Grand Sport, of course, named for the show at Carlisle. Beautiful, beautiful color on the C6. A lot of C8s there with custom bodywork. The ones that are on that white car right in front of us, those rockers look like the ones from Atomic 6 Carbon, who we partner with on a lot of things. Quality stuff if you're looking to do that to your car. The 50th anniversary convertible, a hot rodded C5. Oh, there's a red C6 in the other lane with the Morimoto headlights that we love. Lots of C7s, guys. I mean, there were so many C7s, and I'm used to seeing C7s living here in Florida. Oh, hey, that looks like my car. Wait. Oh, that's not my car. Thank God. We see C7s all the time here on the streets in Florida, but it's cool to see this many of them in one place at one time. Cops out there enjoying the show. They were really friendly. Look at the smiles on the people driving these cars. This kid's coming out to get candy from the guy in that Hot Rod C7. More C8s of every conceivable color and design. C4, there you go, guys. And oh, look at the American flag C4. That's memorable. You won't forget seeing that car. I also had, I believe, a POW flag on that. Of course, we always support the veterans, as most of us here at CNS Corvettes have served in the military. C6 ZR1. And that was just a hint of it, guys, because we spent about 40 minutes at that parade, and there were about 3 miles of cars left to go through town. We'd had such a long day that we went and just got a beer and had dinner. But I'm glad we got to share it with you. If you do get to Corvettes of Carlisle anytime in the future, I highly recommend attending this. And hey, I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse of it. Thank you so much for watching.